In this video we're going to learn how to find a reverse percentage. By that I mean if we've had something that has had a percentage change done to it, that we can find out what the original amount was before we did the percentage change. So we know how to find the percentage amount. That's really where we started. If we know what was done to increase or decrease the amount by the percentage, then we know the amount that it was multiplied by. So for instance, if I'd increased something by 80%, we knew we found 180% of it, so we know we multiplied by 1.8. So since we know what it was multiplied by, then that means from what we've done with our algebra that doing the opposite gets us back. So we know that we have to divide by the same amount to get the original amount. So that's really important. Because we know what we multiplied by, we now know that we divide by that amount to get the original amount that we started off with. Okay, so let's look at two examples. An amount of metal was increased by 30% to end up with 150 grams. What was the original amount? Well, we had to find 130% because we increased by 30. So that meant we had to multiply by 1.3 because 130% is 130 divided by 100, which is 1.3. To get back to the original, we have to just do the opposite and divide by 1.3. So we have 150 divided by 1.3, so we get the answer 115.4 grams. For another example, the time to make a product was reduced by 8% to 230 minutes. What was the original time? Well, we reduced by 8%, which meant that we found 92% of the original amount. So that meant we multiplied by 0.92. We need to do the opposite to get back. So we need to divide by 0.92. And that gives us the answer of 250 minutes. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Winfield with Winfield.